In neighboring Indiana, teachers say they want to be prioritized for the vaccine. It is one of several issues of concern that had them dress in black today to show their solidarity. And WGN's Brona Tumulty is joining us now live from Hammond with more. Brona?
Good evening, guys. Yeah, a show of solidarity for teachers across Indiana, all dressed in black today, protesting the problems they say they are having when it comes to public education.
I really think it's an attack on public education. I don't think the state of Indiana cares if they destroy it.
Teachers across Indiana had a specific dress code Wednesday.
Today is a day of teacher unity.
Anita Cox, who spent 2 decades in classrooms, telling us this blackout protest was an effort to have their voices heard on a number of things.
And I'd say one of the first things on our list under the attack is not being able to get access to the vaccine.
Educators in neighbouring states like Illinois have already been rolling up their sleeves for their shots.
I mean, are the teachers more of a priority in these states around you than in Indiana, do you think?
Definitely.
Also on the list of issues, a bill working its way through the state legislature.
The bill that they're pushing forth would take a chunk of money from education that would go to public education, about $70 million, and cut it from public education and put it into things like vouchers, private education.
Money, Cox says, is already desperately needed in the schools it's earmarked for.
I've seen year after year my classroom size get bigger, my access to resources get smaller, my pay gets smaller, my insurance premiums go up.
And she says pay is a problem too. In its 2020 rankings and estimates, the National Education Association found Indiana ranks 38th in the country when it comes to pay for teachers, with a starting salary of below $36,500 and an overall average here of just over $51,000. By comparison, the same study found the national pay average to be about 11 grand more.
People don't want to work in the state of Indiana anymore.
With all these grievances on the cards, you might wonder whether a strike is imminent. Well, public employees can't really do that in Indiana.
Yeah, that's the problem for our unions, is that they would be violating the law if they did that.
But Cox says something has got to give.
Indiana teachers need to stand up for themselves and stop waiting for a leader to do it for them.
Now, we raised the issue of vaccine access for teachers with the Indiana State Department of Health and got a response which reads in part, we are taking an age-based approach to current expansion because age is the #1 cause of hospitalizations and death due to COVID. Hoosiers aged 60 and older account for 93% of COVID-19 deaths in the state. Additional groups will be added based on vaccine availability. We are currently in phase 1B of our vaccination plan and teachers have always been in phase 2. Now, tonight we also reached out to the sponsors of that controversial House bill. There's 8 of them backing it. As of right now, no response. We're live in Hammond, Indiana. Brona Tumulty, WGN News.
Thank you, Brona. New at 9, former